Hi, my name is Trevor. The reason I was motivated to join the HTC certification program in the first place was to learn this high-income skill for making a six-figure income in a much shorter period of time. Compared to my current 9-to-5 job, I may never reach that income goal in another 5 to 10 years or more. Dan explained very well in his webinar I saw just 5 weeks ago that if you are to trade time for dollar, you better trade it for high dollar to make it worth your time. And high ticket closing is one high income skill that you can always fall back and rely on to build wealth in case your other businesses or investments fail. I also like the fact that being a high ticket closer, you won't be cold calling anyone. Only people who are already showing interest will reach out to you themselves. All you need to do is to close these high ticket deals and you will get paid with high success rate by mastering the skill. You also don't need any sales experience to learn the skill, which really gotten my interest that maybe something I can do. I started dreaming about making a difference in my life 7 months ago when I found out the opportunities with Amazon FBA and affiliate marketing. I ended up joining 3 different online programs over time, trying to learn the best and quickest ways I could to see some good results. Unfortunately, even with all the useful resources I have, in reality, these businesses still take plenty of time, patience, and some luck to build up and be successful. So, as I was still trying very hard to make FBA and affiliate marketing possible for me, Dan Locke's webinar that I saw showed up offering his 7 weeks program, which Dan will be teaching by himself live, and the cutoff time and slot were counting down. After a day of research and debating with myself, I made up my mind to join the program as my last resort to financial success and building future. This program was definitely different, as I was still not aware of what life means and wondering how would I be arranged to get started from the beginning of the program. Turned out, I joined in 3 weeks behind the course, and the only thing I could do was to catch up the past lessons from watching the replays and get on all the weekly assignment as soon as possible. That was a total wake-up call for me to realize I was in a completely different type of program. The live classes were hosted by Sifu Dan and his top guys, Kevon and Desmond, up to 4 hours of content each week. In the class, you get to interact with Dan and everyone else. And then, we also have a private Facebook group for the HTC Community, where Sifu call it the HTC family. In the group, you get to see Facebook posts you wouldn't normally see anywhere else. People in there are willing to share their stories, experiences, and progress. Everyone is being supportive, encouraging, and with positive energy. Sifu Dan, Kevon, and Desmond also interact in the group, so we feel more engaged and motivated. I want to say the HTC certification program is by far the best investment I have made, because it is not just about making money. It is also about personal growth. The program focused very much on the importance of mindset, and it was amazing how much you can see by just shifting your ways of thinking and looking at the things happening around us. It was very much like the movie The Matrix, where you were guided to see the truer side of the real world most people won't realize or pay attention to. Now that I am able to see things differently, I have the better idea what I should and should not do for my life. Dan was amazing how much value and insight he provided in the program. You could definitely feel that he gave his 100% and put his heart to his teaching. He would take his time to study his students and customize the teaching materials in the next class, which made every class a little bit more special. With this high income skill, in 12 months from now, I see myself having more time and freedom to do things that are more meaningful in my life. I will have a better lifestyle. I will be able to work anywhere I want. I can travel more with my other half and with families and friends. I will be healthier by doing more regular exercises and eating well, and many more. For people who are skeptical about HTC Family or the price is a big stretch for them, first and foremost, I say this is definitely worth an investment for both personal and financial growth. I see transformation in me even in 3.5 weeks by getting into the program late, and I'm still changing for better day by day. My confidence has improved for a shy personality and antisocial type of person like me, and I'm doing things I never imagined myself be doing, such as making this video right now. If you found any value learning from my experience about the program, you wouldn't want to miss out such opportunity when it is still around, would you? At the end, I want to thank you, Sifu Dan, for offering this program to teach us your high income skill, share your knowledge, and constantly pushing us to grow so that we can benefit and make a difference for our future. I also want to thank Kayvon, Desmond, and all the HTC members for your support and everything else. Thank you all.